Oh yeah. I'm gonna need another slice in a minute. This will be hers.
Oh.
She's so cute.
How much of this is gonna be bad for you? I like-
She'll probably shit for days.
She's dripping all over the porch.
Last one. Okay, I'll add. You get one more bite. Get in the middle there. That's a big one. There you go. Okay.
Yummy.
Is all good?
Yeah, no.